Hi students, today we will be continuing with this chapter algebraic expressions and identities. In our previous class we have studied what are algebraic expressions and how it is named as polynomials and which are the special names given to these polynomials according to the number of terms. If there are only one term in a polynomial, it is called a monomial, two terms, binomial, three terms, trinomial. You all know how monomials are multiplied together. Now let us see how two binomials are multiplied. Let me take an example, 3x plus m into 2m plus 6y square. In the first bracket, it is a binomial. Again, in the second bracket, it is another binomial. If you look to the terms in it, this is 3x, m, 2m, 6y square. There is no term that is similar. So we cannot use any identity for that. We have to multiply one by one. Let me multiply 3x. If I take first, we can multiply it with each and every term in the second bracket. So it will come as 3x into 2m plus, again 3x is to be multiplied here, 3x into 6y square plus 3x is over. Now m into 2m plus m into 6y square. Whenever you do the calculations of this, you have to follow BODMAS rule. Wherever multiplication comes, do first. So you will get four terms separately. Numbers first multiplication 6xm plus 18xy square plus 2m square plus 6my square. This is the answer. There is no term that is similar or like terms are not there, so we cannot add any of them. This is the answer for this binomials multiplication. Then when we start using identities, that is the case when we get a question like if 3x is there inside the bracket of this and second term is some 5y, if the same terms are repeatedly coming in the another one, 3x is in the second one, 5y is the second term in the second binomial also. In such a case, we can write it together in a short form like 3x plus 5y the whole square. Here we can think of the identity that we studied. What is the identity for if two terms are there inside the bracket and there is a whole square? It is similar to a plus b the whole square. If such a case comes, we know the answer is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So here, so if two factors are there in it, always try to write it inside a bracket. A square plus 2ab, 2 into 3x into 5y plus b square, 5y square. This is the answer for this, and you can expand it. 3 square is 9x square plus numbers first. 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30xy plus 25y square will come as the last answer. This is how we do using the identities. That is only possible if the terms are repeatedly coming in both the brackets. Hope you all understood how two binomials are multiplied. If the terms are all different, we use usual multiplication method of multiplying each and every term in both the binomials. And if the terms are repeatedly coming in both the brackets, we use any of these four identities. A square plus 2ab plus b square is the first one. So these are the types of questions where we use these identities.
you have to decide which identity to be used firstly, then write that identity and do it accordingly. And actually, why we use these identities? People used to make fun of this. A plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Actually, this a and b are numbers only. If there is some unknown number, if x may be 1, y may be 2, something like that, that will be. That are actually numbers. Once my grandmother asked me to multiply 102 with 102. And she taught me one method. Actually, it was using this first identity only. Later I came to know. What she did was, she separated this 102 in nearby 0 number. She told me this 100 plus 2. Multiplied with 100 plus 2. And she told me to take the first number 100, multiply 100 with 100 itself, and write the answer as this. Then to do the second number 2, 2 multiplied with 2 is 4. Then she told me to multiply that numbers 100 into 2 and take the double of that, 400. When I added it, I got this answer, 102 and 102. Multiply and see, this is the answer, 10,404. Actually, she has used this identity only. Nowadays, we need this formulas to calculate all this. Hope you all are clear with this.